Page 14, Duet in Contrary Motion. You look at this and you think, ugh, this looks terrible, it looks ugly, what is it? That's not so bad, let's talk about it. Common timer 4/4 time. No sharps or flats, so it's either C major or A minor. Well, look at the last measure. You're here, that's C major, I reckon C major. It has a pickup beat. You're coming in on, there's see the 2/8 notes at the beginning, that's one count, because 2/8 notes are quarter. You're coming in on beat 4. So the last measure has 3 counts in it. They take the last measure and chop it. I've been through this before. So we're coming in on beat 4. 4 and 1. Here at the beginning, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then at the last measure there, you got to rest, and during the rest, come up here. And you got a lot of quarter notes in the second line, that's fine. This is fun. So that's not so bad. If you look at it, let's look at the left hand. What's it doing? It has the same exact rhythm as the right hand, just different notes. Starting here, 4 and 4 and. Come up, that note is an F, come way up here. You need to know what that note is. If you don't know what that note is, just memorize it now. It's 2 ledger lines above the staff. It's above it. 2 ledger lines is, see, 1 ledger line is at middle C. You should know that already. Well, 2 ledger lines would be the E, because it's every other note. And then that's right above it, so it's an F. It's an F. So you're in this position. That's the left hand. And very slowly put them together. Well, it looks ugly, but I got news for you. It's actually very simple because of the contrary motion. You see, contrary motion is when we're going opposite. One hand goes up when the other goes down. The hands mirror each other. Now, the way our brain works, our hands naturally want to mirror each other. They want to do the same motions, but in opposite directions all the time. It's when you want them to go the same direction that we have problems. So this piece looks ugly and hard. Actually, it's simple because you're using the same fingers in each hand all the time. Your thumb, middle. Throughout the whole piece, you're using the same finger in each hand. So once you get the idea and you know where your hands are, you can actually focus on one hand or the other. It's your choice. And just let the other hand follow. So it's here. Come up here, they're right next to each other. Now here it's different. That's different. The left hand went down one, the right hand stayed where it is. So just that one note, it was different. Otherwise they're playing the same thing. And the last one, you have 2 notes in the left hand. Then you go in and add the articulation. We've got slurs and staccato, and they're the same for each hand pretty much. So it's slur here, up, just lift up, and connect it. And lift up between each slur, but don't play the last note in a slur short. Just lift up. Again. Rest. There we got 2 staccatos in a row. So, then add the dynamics. And both hands can be the same here. Both hands are medium loud or moderately loud at the beginning. You'll have to decide what that is. It's sort of loud, huh? get to the end of the first line, when you move up, now you're loud. Go up just a little bit. Don't get too carried away with loudness, just loud. Until the last two measures there in the second line. Now you're going to go back down to soft. So you start loud. The first two notes are loud, and the next one is going to be medium loud, down to medium soft, soft. So it's here. Don't get soft until the last measure. And we add the speed. Allegretto's kind of that fun speed. And you'll have to decide because it has to be controlled and accurate. What do you think fun is? It'll be different for everybody. What do you feel like a nice, somewhere, you know, I don't know. That's sort of what the piece is. I would like to play it with you slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We are going to go really slow. So I'll give us 3 counts because we come in on beat 4. 1 and ready and go and. Rest. 1, 2, rest.